Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. We'll start the screening in 2 minutes, guys. Okay, keep the charts clean. Hope the day has started good. Hit the like button, guys. एक second, guys. Password डालना था. Good morning, Imran. Good morning, Varun. Okay, let's start. At the current scenario, daily time frame, what is the major buyer spot over here we had got? This one, correct? So mark out that level over here. So post marking that level, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? We'll be working on the previous demand structure which was built over here. इसके साथ continuity, the movement had moved towards the down. Post movement towards the down, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? The next thing will be multiplying the demand with the demand 50% of the rejection point, right? At this scenario, what is the next thing? Okay, कल के दिन ने इवनिंग सेशन में हमने यहाँ पे एक मार्कआउट किया था जो सप्लाई था, अगर आज के कल के दिन में ब्रेक होता है तो मार्केट वो सप्लाई कंप्लीट करने के लिए आएगा. So what do we notice here? The market has given a closure. With the closure, the market is moving up. इस सिनेरियो में एक चीज याद रखना गाइस, वन मेजर चीज, विक जनरेट नहीं हुई है. ओके, सो विक जनरेट नहीं हुई है तो क्या करेगा मार्केट? इट विल कम डाउन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन and allocate the movements towards the down. Okay, so this is the current scenario of the gold daily time frame. Daily time frame होने के बाद let's come down to 4 hours. What is 4 hours indicating? 4 hours is indicating a movement in the bullish scenario. So let's work out on the mathematical numbers. First let's allocate the previous supply allocate करने के बाद movement जितना था उतना ही complete की. With the completion, the next movement was allocated at this point of action and उसके बाद कल के दिन में ये हमारा डिमांड रेंज था. डिमांड रेंज कंप्लीट हुई थी. उसी डिमांड रेंज कंप्लीशन के साथ रिट्रेसमेंट एंड कंप्लीशन ऑफ द मूवमेंट. जैसे ही यहाँ पे कंप्लीशन ऑफ द मूवमेंट दिखा था, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट विल बी वर्किंग ऑन? विल बी वर्किंग ऑन द मैथमेटिकल नंबर जो कि हमारा ए पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में यहाँ पे थी. ओके, इसके साथ मूवमेंट लॉन्ग की तरफ जनरेट हुआ, कितना, जितना रिवर्सल पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे बिल्ड हुआ है उतना ही मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन यहाँ पे दिखने को मिली। रिट्रेस कितना हुआ है मार्केट, जितना हमारा प्रीवियस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन था उतना ही रिट्रेसमेंट लेके आज के दिन पे यहाँ पे क्लोजर किया। रिट्रेसमेंट कैंडल कौन सी है, मूवमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब से द प्रीवियस सप्लाई विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू करंट डिमांड, राइट। कन्वर्जन हुआ है, मार्केट बुलिश सिनेरियो पे है, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन विल बी वर्किंग आउट ओवर हियर, लेट्स अलोकेट द नंबर्स विद द स्विंग वाइज। हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट हिट हो चुका है, हमारा MC2 का फर्स्ट टारगेट हिट हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, योर स्विंग हाई विल बी your swing high will be at 28.95, your retracement point will be at 28.81, and your major swing low will be at this point of action, which is 28.59. Let's do the math. In the bullish scenario, what is the circumstances that we are getting? 2895.210. What is the swing low? 28.59. What is the retracement point? 2881.980. Right? What is the next thing that we'll get? We'll get a formulative number. What is the formulative number? Formulative number is 36.21. With 36.21, what is the next plan of action that we'll be looking for? The next plan of action over here we'll be looking for is a target range. हमारा गोल्डन रेशियो कहाँ पे आती है, हमारा गोल्डन रेशियो इज एट 2940, जो कि यहाँ पे रिट्रेस हो चुकी है एक बार। With that, हमारा intermediate ratio is at 2954. 2954.4. Okay, this is the plan of action of 4 hours what we are currently getting. अभी इस point of action में what is the next plan that we'll be working on? Right? Is our each and every demand worked in the structure? Let's come and identify it in 1 hour. Right? With that 1 hour point of action, what is the next thing that will be working over here? The next thing we'll be working over here is on to identify yesterday evening scenario structure. कल का evening scenario structure में कैसे दिख रहा था market? Okay. So in the evening scenario, what did we notice in the movement? Right? We were waiting for a mathematical calculation point of view. With the mathematical calculation point of view, market had gone up post taking our point of action from this range. जैसे ही इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन को रिजेक्शन लेता है, मार्केट ने ऊपर के लिए इंड्यूसमेंट S2 सिनेरियो क्रिएट करके गई। विद दिस S2 सिनेरियो क्रिएशन, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन? जितना हमारा सप्लाई यहाँ पे बिल्ड आउट हुआ है उतना ही नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन हमको दिखने को मिलेगी। ओके, बट ओनली वन कंडीशन, हमें डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे विक क्रिएट होते हुए दिखना है। राइट? अगर विक क्रिएट नहीं होता है, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द अलोकेशंस एट द करंट रेंज टुवर्ड्स द लॉन्ग। ओके, जैसे ही ये प्लान ऑफ एक्शन बिल्ड होता है, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट विल बी वर्किंग ऑन? ओके, हमारे पास नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे आ चुकी है। उसके साथ हमारा नेक्स्ट रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट कितना है? रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट जितना हमारा इंड्यूसमेंट रेंज है उतना ही रिट्रेस हुआ है मार्केट। With that retracement, what is the market trying to do? Market is trying to take the liquidity out. In this plan of action, what is the next thing that will be working over here? The next thing we'll be working over here is identifying the spectrum of volume. When you identify a spectrum of volume, what is the one thing that you have to be very careful about? Movement of direction. How do you get a movement of direction 1 hour pe? right? Identifying the volumes. The current volume of this current candle, what is it indicating? The market is indicating a bullish sentiment over here, right? With this bullish sentiment, where is the next iceberg orders placed? The next iceberg orders was placed in the ratio of this 3 point of action. 1, 2, 3. And what is this indicating? This is not indicating anything. This is indicating a movement towards the long. But यहाँ तक फिर से आएगा market. From this point of action, market will come down till this range to take the retailers out. With the retailers out, the market will tend to give a movement over here, right? So जैसे ही iceberg allocation यहाँ पे दिखने को मिलती है, what is the next step that we are working on? We will work on 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes indicating? Do we have an inducement range before the movement? Yes, no, right? What is the market following through? The break of the current scenario. मार्केट ने कल जाके 2940 से रिजेक्शन लिया. आज के दिन में मार्केट had open at the scenario of this candle, right? Wherein the market gave a rejection point. With the rejection point, one closure, पार्टनर वन बिल्ड हुई. पार्टनर वन बिल्ड होने के बाद इंड्यूसमेंट टू बिल्ड हुआ. इंड्यूसमेंट टू बिल्ड होने के बाद ग्रुप जनरेट होके मार्केट हैड गिवन ए ब्रेक, सस्टेन्ड कंटिन्यूटी. यहाँ पे इंड्यूसमेंट टू सिनेरियो वन फॉलो करते हुए मार्केट ऊपर गई है, राइट? अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस 30 मिनट्स में कर पाओगे? नहीं. जब 30 मिनट्स में आप मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस नहीं कर पाओगे, what is the next thing that you'll be working on? Let's come down to 15 minutes. What is the market given an induced index? Sorry, what is the market giving? Market क्या? What is market trying to indicate? Market is trying to indicate a push through movement. Push through movement कैसे identify करता है? When there is only retailers in a market, right? Partner one, partner two, partner three नहीं हुआ, group आया यहाँ पे, correct? And then a second group played into the action. Same level, break, sustain, continue. अभी ये मार्केट कहाँ पे जाता है? सिर्फ आज का दिन का मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस करता है, राइट? सो आज का दिन का मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस करते हैं. तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन दैट विल बी हैविंग? This is our swing low point of action, which is here. Swing low, swing high, retracement point. Or if you want to have more clarified version, this will be a swing low, this will be a swing high, and this will be your retracement point. These are the two plan of actions that will be working out. Only एक scenario है, gap up open हुआ है, उसके वजह से we had taken it from here. But more safer picture, more safer play, you can look into the circumstances of this ratio. Okay, let's calculate the numbers. Swing है आके 2939.495. Okay, swing low आके 2931. Retracement point आके 2934.795. Right? What is the formulative number that we have got? The formulative number that we have got over here is 8.495. With this formulative number, what is the target? 2948. Let's mark out 2948.539. Okay. With this next point of action, what is the number that we'll be marking out? The golden ratio 2951. Right? Where is 2951 at this point of action? So 2951.780. Yeah, this is the point of action that we'll be working on. Here, हमारे पास अभी के लिए रिजेक्शन पॉइंट मिल गया नीचे के लिए, राइट? जैसे ही नीचे के लिए रिजेक्शन पॉइंट मिल गया, व्हाट इज वन थिंग दैट यू हैव टू वर्किंग हियर? ओके, डू वी हैव अ सेकेंड कंफर्मेशन ओवर हियर ऑफ 30 मिनट्स? जो कि ये जो मूवमेंट है, इस मूवमेंट का 15 मिनट्स में हमें एक कंफर्मेशन पॉइंट यहाँ पे बिल्ड हुई है. ओके, दिस इज ऑफ टुडेज. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. ओके, इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में एक मेजर मूवमेंट लॉन्ग की तरफ बिल्ड हुआ था, करेक्ट? तो इस मेजर मूवमेंट में कैन वी लुक इनटू द पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑफ दिस लो एज द स्विंग? Excuse me, guys. Okay, so this low as your swing, this as your swing high, and this as your retracement point. Can that be low? If yes, what is the numbers that we are looking like? Mark out the swing high. What is the swing high? 2928.223. Right? What is the swing low? 2906.04074. Right? What is the retracement point? 2922.959. Okay. What is the formulative number that we have got? The formulative number that we have got is 22,149. With 22,149, what is the next plan of action that we are doing? We are marking the golden ratios. Right? What is the golden ratio indicating? The golden ratio is indicating a price action point of 2958.796. Okay, so this is the number what we have got over here at the current scenario. And with this, agar market continue hona hai, if it wants to come down to 2958 and 2958 and 2967, what is the one thing that we have to work over here? We have to have a rejection of the daily candle wick creation. Agar daily candle mein wick create nahi hoti hai, then no plan of action will be considered in the movement towards the long at the current scenario. Wick create होता है, छोटा सा भी wick create करने दो, I am well and good, we can execute the trade. अगर wick create नहीं होता है, then definitely एक point of action में जाके ऐसा गिरेगा नीचे के लिए कि सबका एसएल्स हंट हो जाएगा. Gold clear, guys? Good morning, Samath. Good morning, Mali Babu sir. Okay, so this is the plan of action that we have worked as of now at the current circumstances. With this current circumstances, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? We'll be working on allocating the supplies of 15 minutes, right? So did we mark the first supply of the moment? The first supply of the moment indicates from this point of action to this, right? Post this moment is allocated. What is the next thing that we'll be looking for? Post the rejection moment. Is the market completed with the moment? Yes. Now market kitna rejection lega? First rejection point was this. Okay. So let's mark out this rejection point over here. What did market do? Market gave a break in the continuity. So we will double the demand. With the double of demand, we will allocate it over here. Okay. With that movement of action, where did the market took the rejection from? From the same point of action over here, right? So उसके साथ market ने movement generate की थी with a plan of action. So this is the range. Okay, so this is the range which the market took a rejection from. From this point of action, the next movement that we'll be looking over here is to allocate the previous moment of action. यहाँ पे previous moment of action कौन सा था? ये जो point of action थी, that is your previous moment of action. Okay. Suppose this market, what the market has done, where the market is taking the rejection from 29.47 as per the previous mathematical concept, right? So previous mathematical concept के हिसाब से we have achieved the numbers. With that we'll be moving towards the BTC. So यहाँ पे अगर daily time frame पे wick create होता है तभी ही हम long के तरफ बैठेंगे, उससे पहले नहीं. So let's come down to 1 hour. BTC, BTC starting point. What is the starting point that we are looking over here? Allocate the BTC demand at this point. With this point of action, mark it through the inducement range, which is over here. With the inducement range, allocate the level 1. With the allocation, what is the next plan of action that we'll be looking for? We'll be looking for intermediate level, sorry, internal liquidity point. With the internal liquidity point, what is one plan of action that will be working towards the next? We'll be allocating the previous demand and supplies. Okay. At the current scenario, what do we notice? We had an internal liquidity drop at this point of action. With this point of action on a daily time frame, that demand has been completed. With this demand completion, what is the one thing that we'll be working on at this stage? That is allocating the mathematical numbers through the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the first plan of action. Second plan of action was allocated with just the body of the red candle multiplied version. With the multiplied version over here, double demand में target hit हुआ था. Okay, with the double demand the target was hit and this was our mathematical number. So post the mathematical number, market has taken a reversal with creation of S2, right? What is S2? Inducement scenario 2, bullish 1. Come down to 4 hours. In 4 hours, what is the next plan of action that you will be working on over here? The next plan of action you will be working out over here is in the allocation point. Okay. With this point of action, 4 hours may, what are the two major things that we'll be working on? Allocating the demand movement towards the short. This was the first movement, right? We had a second movement over here in the wick creation perspective. The market उतना ही demand complete करके movement नीचे के लिए लाई थी इस point of action से, right? Post that जितना हमारा movement यहाँ पे build out हुआ था उतना ही movement का breakthrough इधर नीचे के लिए दी थी post inducement continuity. जितना movement हमें allocation में चाहिए था उतना ही allocation यहाँ पे allocate हुई थी, right? इसके साथ आज के दिन में what are the first things that we'll be working on? The first things we'll be working on, what is the supply? This is my first supply. I will multiply it through the rejection point. Okay. Rejection point कितना आया था? जितना हमारा previous supply था in the demand, that will get converted into the current scenario of the demand. Okay. जैसे ही वो conversion complete हुई थी, next plan of action will be looked towards the long from the retracement point. right? Where is the market currently trending? The market is currently trending with a plan of action of a nice movement at this point. Post this, what is the next plan of action that we'll be working on? Let's allocate the mathematical numbers. To allocate the mathematical numbers, what is the first thing? Swing high, low, and the retracement point. Swing high is at 2082 176.58. Swing low is at 76606, and retracement point is at 79112. Right? What is the scenario? Bullish scenario. What is the swing high? Swing high is at 82225.21. What is the swing low? Swing low is 76606. What is the retracement point? Retracement point is 79058. What is the formulative number? Formulative number is 5619.21. जैसे ही formulative number मिलती है, what is the next plan of action? Allocate the golden ratio, which is at 88149. Post this, what is the next plan of action that we'll be looking for? The next plan of action is intermediate ratio. Intermediate ratio, where is it looking at? It is looking as per the allocations of 90,000 to 96.48. 90,000 to 96.42. Okay, so this is the levels that we'll be marking through. Post the levels has been marked. What is the next plan of action that we'll be working over here? The next plan of action that we'll be working over here is on to 1 hour. Malibabu says, please share the screenshots of your working. Okay. So with that post 1 hour allocation points, what are the next thing we'll be looking over here? Did the market played an action as per the requirement, right? हर एक जगह पे liquidity hunt किया है market ने. Yes, definitely किया है. So how do we look into the position of that point of action? The position of that point of action will be looked into the two circumstances. The two circumstances will be allocated as per the 11th March movement, which is over here. So this was our first supply. With the first supply, allocate the movement for the retracement point and the closure, right? Post that, did the market complete the movement? Yes. Retracement कितना लिया था? Retracement as per the previous movement of allocation. Previous movement कहाँ पे है? इस point of action में है, उतना ही retracement आपको यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेगी, right? Then what do we notice? We had an inducement group 1, group 2, break, market continued towards the down. And the down plan of action in 1 hour, this point of action is of 1800 points, right? So it's not a small value. With this action plan, what is the next thing that we'll be working out over here? We'll be working out on the movement spectrum of next point of actions. So ये हमारा allocation हुआ था next retracement point जहां से आई थी जो previous retracement, right? If you allocate this previous retracement at this point of action, what do you notice? The movement was in the retracement point and taken the breakout, right? Market ऊपर के लिए move हुआ था, यहाँ पे जितना movement of allocation थी, उसके साथ completion of the retracement, with the retracement completion, the market had completed. नीचे क्यों आया था? Market hasn't completed this point of action. Okay? ये आके कल के दिन में मार्केट मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया है with a proper scenario to inducement. Now, what is the next plan of action that we'll be working over here in 1 hour? Let's work on the maths. अगर 20 40 अगर 84,518.96 break होता है, what is the plan of actions that you guys will be working? The plan of actions that you guys will be working on the swing lows of zero point 0.1, swing high at zero point 0.2, retracement point number 3. So let's mark swing high is at 82,884.51. Swing low is at 80,607.65. And where is the retracement point allocated? 81,723. What is the formulative number? 2276.86. With this plan of action, what is the allocations will look like? The allocations will look like the golden ratio is at 82,741. 82,741 target hit हुआ हमारा. Okay. So what is the golden ratio target? 85,406. Where is the 85,406 levels looking like? 85,406.95 is the golden ratio. What is the intermediate ratio that we'll be looking over here? The intermediate ratio will be looking for 86 to 76. So these are the levels of 1 hour that we can look for at the current scenario. What is the next part that we'll be working over here? The next part we'll be working over here is in the allocations of 30 minutes and see what the market is trying to do. In 30 minutes plan of action, did yesterday evening post the rejection point with the scenario 2, did the market moved with the third candle? Yes, definitely market moved with the third candle. What is the allocations that we'll be looking at? One, with this 1 point of action, what is the second that we will be allocating? Multiplied the demand with the rejection point, right? And what this movement is called as? This movement is called as circulating supply. When there is a circulating supply in the market will tend to move in a slow and steady directions, hunt all the retailers in the parallel channel. With the parallel channel movement, first it will try to take the first it will try first it will try to hunt them down, right? Give a movement, take the liquidity, post the liquidity allocations. The movement will be considered towards the short, then towards the long, not prior to that. Okay, इस point of action में inducement follow करके first short trade of allocation देखते हैं, then towards the target of 85,427, not prior to that. It's coming down to 15 minutes. What is 15 minutes indicating? The price action is slow and steadily in a POI range as of today, right? Why as of today the market is in POI range? This is the box range. With the box range, what do we see? One, partner two, 1, 2, 3. Not even a group, not even a partner. So there is a break. Then we got a partner one, partner two. Again, there is a break. So in this scenario, the market is in the POI range. In this POI range, what we are going to do for, we'll wait for a moment allocations. Once the moment is allocated, then we will plan an action towards whichever side the market is trying to do. Right? We have two plan of actions which is already allocated. With that allocation, we'll wait and we will execute as per the requirements. कोई डाउट है BTC में? Sir, how do you speak? Oh my God. नहीं, सुबह से बात कर रहा हूँ उसके लिए। हिट द लाइक बटन गाइस। बीटीसी में ऑर्डर लिया था 82,000 पर, बाई 800 पॉइंट्स MTSL रख के बंद कर दिया। ओके राइट। अभी सर मार्केट नीचे आएगा, थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना। राइट, 83,410 पे चल रहा है। आपका MTSL पॉइंट होना चाहिए समवेयर मोर देन 83,000। 1000 पॉइंट के ऊपर MTSL रखो। सिस्टम ट्रेलिंग 900 पे रखना। ओके, बिकॉज सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई पे है मार्केट। मार्केट विल हंट यू डाउन, देन ओनली द मार्केट विल मूव। गलत मार्किंग है दिनेश। स्क्रीन को रिवाइंड करके देखो कहां से कहां तक लिया है। गलत मार्किंग है, पूरा ऊपर से लो ना। पूरा आओ, नीचे आओ। इंड्यूसमेंट ट्रेन से मार्क करो। BTC 1 hour chart demand candle at 1:13 hours New York time. The first supply is this only, no? From the inducement wick creation candle. With that point of action, we'll be marking out, Imran. ठीक है? No Indian sessions today. होली है. सो कल का जो टारगेट है वो टारगेट हिट करेगा आज. If you guys want to see, I'll show you how. कल का जो ट्रेड है वो ही चलने दो, एक्स्ट्रा एड ऑन कुछ मत करना, ठीक है. भाई डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे डिमांड कंप्लीट करना तो पहला. स्ट्रीम रिवाइंड करके देखना एक बार. एक सेकंड गाइस, आई एम शेयरिंग द इंडियन सेशंस. Suppose we apply MC2 formula on 4 hour chart and get a target for buy, and then go to 15-minute chart, apply the same formula and get the target sell now. In this case, which target we consider most dominant? What does screening mean? What is screening? Imran, what is screening? राइट, कल ने जो हमने लेवल्स डाल के रखे थे वही लेवल्स पे अभी मार्केट है. बैंक निफ्टी TP1 हिट हो चुकी है. TP2 इज एट 48,394. निफ्टी का TP1 आके 22,678 है. ओके, सो फॉलो दैट लेवल्स ओनली. No other movements will be looked at the current conditions. Daily to 15. Okay. So are you a swing trader or a intraday trader? Imran, are you a swing trader or an intraday trader? Intraday. So 4 hours is just to analyze where the market is coming, right? Your dominance of trade looking should be always in 1 hour and 15 minutes, right? If you are a swing trader, then apply 4 hours targets, right? If you are an intraday, 1 hour and 15 minutes are the levels which you will be looking at the current stage, right? 4 hours levels you have got. With the 4 hours levels, come down to 1 hour, allocate the numbers, wave, tide, and ride. These three scenarios identified. If your wave is bullish, your tide is bullish, your ride will also be bullish. Okay, so if your wave is bearish, if your ride is bullish, if your tide is bullish, the market is going to take the retracement. With that retracement, market will fall again. Okay, if your wave is bullish, if your tide is bullish, if your ride is bearish, the market will come down till the point of action, till where the market will take the retailers SL and move, right? These are the understandings you should start building. Okay, Hansji, hope you got the point what I have said. Okay, man, great. एवरीवन डू द बैक टेस्टिंग. जो ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हैं बैक टेस्टिंग करके फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करो. फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करके लाइव ट्रेडिंग पे आओ. लाइव सेशंस में लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन टेस्टिंग करो. लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन टेस्टिंग होने के बाद ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन. नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. ये तीन चीज जब तक क्लियर नहीं होगी ट्रेड्स एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे आप लोग. Am I clear? Yes, sir. अगर ट्रेड्स एग्जीक्यूट करना है मिनिमलिस्ट क्वांटिटी 0.01. Sir, why are you always so confident? Because you guys don't have a second option. Fear has two meanings. Forget everything and run, divided by face everything and well. So you select, you want the first one or the select one. If you want the second one, always remember one thing. You don't have space for greed, you don't have space for foremost. There is only space for learning, execution in confidence, speak in confidence, work in confidence, allocate in confidence. Hit the like button, guys. जो भी डाउट है पूछो. We work in compounding here. We don't want any greedy trades. Follow the rules. If you want to change the rules, go to the top, then change the rules. Before that, follow the rules, learn, reach to the top, then change the rule. Prior to that, no, not at all, Harshit. System will not let you to change the rules if you're at the bottom. You can change the rules once you reach the top. Good morning, Mahesh. No other circumstances at all. ट्रेंड लाइन लगाओ ना. लो यार, तुम्हारा खुशी के लिए लगा देता हूँ. इसे ट्रेंड लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? Let me Google it, guys. 1 second. Connecting two point of action in the continuity and allocating to the third point is called as trend line. Oh my god, okay. So, 2 point of action. 1, 2, 3, 4. नहीं, यहाँ पे है ना. हाँ, लो, trend line. Sir, one quick question. Yes, please, Mahesh. Today, today's gold analysis, why did you not give any significance to the level 2945, which is MC1 target, as I am waiting for an entry from there. I am so short from 2945.6. Daily time frame, there is no movement. गोल्ड में क्लियर कट बोला था. In the daily time frame, what is the notification that we have got over here? The wick isn't created. We need the wick. The wick needs to be created. Okay. If there is no wick, I am not interested. So the significance wasn't given to that number. Lovely. Great. What is the next thing? Can you please show the demand and supply markings in this Bank Nifty chart? Sorry guys, trend line is not my cup of tea. Yesterday's calculation perspective was from this swing high, this swing low, and the retracement point. What did the market first range to do? This was our major supply. With this major supply point of action, what did the market tend to allocate at this range? Market tend to allocate a retracement point. What was the retracement point all about? From this point of action to this point of action is the allocations that we'll be looking over here. Post that जितना हमारा supply है उतना ही movement of allocation आपको यहाँ पे दिखी. Post that we'll be multiplying the supply. Post multiplying the supply, market took a rejection from the same point of action. Right? जैसे ही rejection लिया market ने, कितना movement of allocation यहाँ पे build की थी? जितना ही हमारा previous moment of allocation था उतना allocation यहाँ पे build होते हुए market took a rejection perspective. From that rejection perspective, first plan of action will be this. जो कि इस point of action से इस point of action तक build हुई है. That will be the supply that we'll be taking under the consideration to mark out the levels at this point. Okay. So this is the current stage where our mathematical number was. With that mathematical number, if you want to go slow and steady, this is the point of action 1. From this point of action, we will multiply the number, we will allocate the next, right? What do we notice? The market didn't complete the range over here and they had given a closure with the range of 50%. आज के दिन पे वो break होके sustain हुई है. And with the continuity, what is the first plan of actions that will be working over here? The first plan of action that will be working over here is as per the previous supply completion, which is this one. So this will be your next movement, which we will be seeing in the bank nifty. Okay, समर्थ. Same with nifty. जितना movement of allocation आपको दिख रहा है उसका डबल. उसका डबल पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन यहाँ पे दिखने को मिलेगी. Right, कल के दिन पे market, what did it do? Market first gave a break of this supply where it was hunting on 11th March. Post this hunting of 11th March, the market gave a movement through the retracement point and taken the completion at this target. And retracement, as per the previous supply, the demand at the current stage was generated over here. With the demand generation of completion, the market had continued the movement, right? Post that, on the 12th, market took a rejection of first day execution point. Again, market, as per the previous supply, sorry, as per the previous demand, it got converted into the supply. Post the supply conversion, this is the moment what we have allocated at the circumstances. Target hit हुआ था. Target hit होने के बाद first point of action पे break, with the break continuity, right, and the market sustained in the range. From this point of action, what did the market tend to do? Market tend to move from this range to here, from this range, multiply, allocate, multiply, allocate. Where is the market currently standing? Right, market will move till the point of action of a market is in the point of action to take the liquidities at the mathematical number, which is at 22,678.75. All the new members, welcome to the stream. जो भी doubt है पूछ सकते हो. If you're liking the stream, if you're learning from it, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Wick has to be created in daily candle. Is this any market rule for something else? It is the market rule. Imran, back test करके देख लो. Once in a blue moon, you will see a candle without a wick. Every day, the market will create a wick low and a wick high. Always remember that. Okay, sir. A lot to learn. Trend line, convert the candlestick to the line chart. Trend line, convert the candlestick to the line chart. करना ही नहीं है सर मेरे को. जो retailers करते हो मेरे को करना ही नहीं. Okay. नीलेश, कोई भी डाउट आता है पूछो. जिनका 1000 चार्ट, टोटल 1000 चार्ट्स का बैक टेस्टिंग फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग हो चुकी है, बता देना. They can come into the live and execute the live price actions. Small trade executed 500 points running in BTC. Definitely. फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट करते वक्त जो भी डाउट आता है पूछ लेना। नो न्यू लेवल्स फॉर निफ्टी यार, होली है आज। स्लो एंड स्टडीली मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा। बैंक निफ्टी में नया लेवल्स तब आएगा जब 48,394 का लेवल ब्रेक होगा, उससे पहले नहीं। सर हम रिटेलर से इसलिए बता रहे हैं, लेट मी शेयर एटलीस्ट वन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माइन इज ड्राइंग ट्रेंड लाइंस। नाइस। गलत सप्लाई डाल रहे हो दिनेश। Why are you not following the video and why are you not allocating as per it? क्या आपको स्ट्रीम में दिख रहा है डबल क्वांटिटी करते हुए यहाँ पे? क्या आपको सप्लाई डबल कन्वर्जन दिख रही है इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन पे? कीप आस्किंग डाउट्स गाइस, बैक टेस्टिंग करते वक्त डाउट्स आते हैं, पूछो। All the new members, welcome to the stream. Whatever doubts you guys are having, please do ask. Sir, from where are you in the trade of Bank Nifty? 27, sorry, 47, 857, 47, 910, and 47, 875. Nifty में 22,400, 22,360, 22,365. And till where you will be holding it? Till the mathematical numbers. $75 points more to go. अगर break होके sustain होती है, then we will change the mathematical numbers, not prior to that. Okay. So the next swing will be looked into the perspective of completion of this हो गया. The next swing high will be this. Your swing low will be this. And your retracement point will be this. On the post closure of the current movement, TP1 hit ho chuki hai, so I am moving my TP1. I am keeping only the TP2. Right? Break होने के बाद next plan of action allocate करेंगे. Hit the like button, guys. That is on the bake. If the market doesn't break, that number will not be under the consideration. दिनेश, चार्ट देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, स्क्रीनिंग करो, कंप्लीट करो स्क्रीनिंग को, लाइव में बैक टेस्ट करो। पूरा स्क्रीनिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, यू आर टॉगलिंग बिटवीन द टाइम फ्रेम्स। फिफ्टीन मिनट्स में डिमांड एंड सप्लाई है ही नहीं, वहां पे पीओआई रेंज है, मार्क किया हुआ है, तो करेक्टली देखेगा तब पता चलेगा ना। सही से जाके यूट्यूब स्क्रीनिंग देख, दिखेगा क्यों नहीं मार्क्ड है वहां पे। सब मार्क्ड है, सप्लाई भी मार्क्ड है, डिमांड भी मार्क्ड है। What is this? This is not a demand or what? This is not a demand movement over here. This is not a supply movement over here. This is not a POI range. Huh? नहीं नहीं अरुंधति मैम, बने रहो बने रहो. Targets are still there. No FOMO, no hurry burry. Wait. Right, that is the demand what it's working, no? Yes, please do apply MC2. Guys, ask any doubts you guys are getting. Please do ask. Don't hesitate. There is no plan of action yet created anywhere. Let the market give the indication. Post the indication only. कैन आई लुक फॉर शॉर्ट इन बीटीसी? भाई सी को बोल रहा हो तो शुड लुक फॉर ए शॉर्ट बोल रहे हो, कुछ भी। लो, एक बार में तुम्हें सप्लाई एंड डिमांड डालने नहीं आएगा। करो और एक बार डिलीट करके और एक बार डालो ना, क्या हो जाएगा? डालो, लेवल्स डाल के करो। फॉलो द रूल्स, नो ब्रेकिंग ऑफ रूल्स। एक चीज पे फॉलो करना, ये क्या है, ये चार्ट क्या है दिनेश? गुड जॉब अगस्त्य, कीप इट अप। Suppose if price is falling and it kept falling, then and if we are marking the demand, then we keep doubling the demand until there is any retracement is formed, right? No, that is wrong, Nilesh. So what we'll be doing at current point of state, suppose if the price is falling and it keeps falling, मतलब जो हमारा supply या demand, example, let me showcase you. Just for an example, this is my one of the supplies, okay? So market went on the moment. Post that moment, market gave a break, sustained, continue, right? At that point of action only, this will get doubled, right? So at one point of action, the market will always tend to fall. Take a retracement. Even a single candle retracement works, but there will be a retracement in any scenario. Okay. So example in this scenario, right? The bearish movement, what you see. Why did market came down till the zone? Because it wanted to follow the movement of the mathematical number. Movement kitna tha? First point of action, doubling of it. Second point of action from the retracement, right? So this retracement point of action was taken under consideration. This demand was allocated. On the completion of this demand, multiplied version was taken under the play. Okay. Suppose this you don't have to do the next reference. The next reference you can be doing directly is the entire movement. Okay. That it should sustain and continue. Then only you can take the entire movement like this. In this scenario, did it sustain? Yes. Did it continue? No. So we are not going to take that. Post that you will allocate this movement over here following the stop. Okay. So how will that structure come into the play? Continue hua, you will allocate this moment and 50% will be your rejection point of action. जिनको भी छोटा सा रिस्क लेना है गोल्ड में शॉर्ट के लिए ले लेना छोटा सा बड़ा सा नहीं okay got it so you said you will be sharing the formulas yes give me some time गाइस हल्का सा लैग हुआ था, रिफ्रेश कर लेना. Okay, got it. Anyone are having any kind of doubts, please do ask. 'Sir, in swing, what is the Indian market's price that we'll be looking for? Anything above 250 points is good. 250 points, Nifty, Banknifty, anything above 500 point is good. As per the risk management, right? जितना risk allocation होती है उतना movement चाहिए अब, उससे पहले नहीं. Hit the like button. All the new members, whatever doubts you're having, do ask. Anyone has any doubts in understanding of the markets, please do ask. भाई इस बार बोला भी था शॉर्ट लो करके, आप नहीं लिए तो मेरा गलती नहीं है. ओके. इमरान ट्रेड में हो क्या? नीलेश ट्रेड में हो? ब्यूटीफुल स्मिता मैम, ग्रेट. Yes sir, you said small risk take can take short in gold. No sir, not. Okay, cool. Yes sir, you said small risk can take short in gold. Good morning Venkat. Sir, I am in chat for past 1 hour, but no salutation. मतलब? चलो गाइस, डेली टाइम फ्रेम में वीक क्रिएट करने के लिए मार्केट आ गई है. जिनको भी भरोसा नहीं होता है देख लीजिएगा. Didn't say good morning. हाँ, no worries, no worries. That's totally fine. Right. Okay. So market always works in the price action. अगर कोई भी बोलेगा नहीं तो समझ लेना he is not expertised in gold. So this is inducement to scenario one, right? Yes. Partner one, partner two, partner three, break, rejection, continue. Beautiful, sir. Imran, hope you understood why the market is coming down. Without creating a wick, market will not tend to move. All the new members, welcome to the stream. जो भी doubt है पूछ सकते हो. दिनेश राइट क्लिक करो. ओके. उधर एसएल का ये अलोकेशन रहेगा, वो दिखाएगा तुम्हें. नीचे आओ सेटिंग्स में, उधर ही राइट क्लिक सेटिंग्स, राइट एसएल बार रेंज, स्टेटस लाइन पे रहेगा वो. नीचे सिंबल्स में जाओ, नीचे. ओके सॉरी, वन क्लिक में है ना, तो इस तरह साइड में आ जाना, उधर चेंज कर देना. वन क्लिक फॉर्म पे चेंज कर दो. रेगुलर पे आओ, राइट. लगाओ तो सही पहला. लगाया नहीं है क्या? अलग अलग है उसके लिए. सेटिंग्स चेंज करो ना एसएल का, स्क्रीन पे दिखने जैसे करो एक्सनेस में। और हाँ लगाओ। 605 दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है तेरे में? दिखना चाहिए एसएल का। कैनवास पे जाओ, नीचे टेक्स्ट बटन्स, नीचे आओ, मार्जिन स्टॉप राइट टॉप, ऊपर जाओ। वो सब प्रॉब्लम नहीं, नहीं। ओके, नहीं हुआ। ऊपर सेटिंग में क्लिक कर। हाँ उधर है देखो, क्लोजिंग। ओके, नहीं आया, क्यों? प्राइस अलर्ट्स की जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ पे इधर आके इस पे क्लिक करो। नहीं वो नहीं, डबल क्लिक करो यहाँ पे, सेल लॉट जो है ना वहां पे डबल क्लिक करो। यहाँ पे येलो बॉक्स में सेल लॉट, येलो बॉक्स जो प्रॉफिट दिखा रहा है ना, येलो बॉक्स। यस आ गया। राइट, अभी यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करो उस येलो बॉक्स पर। राइट क्लिक नहीं हो रहा। हम्म, ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन। सो अभी दिख रहा है ना, अभी एमटीएसएल सब लगाने के लिए आसान हो जाए। Guys, anyone has any doubts, please do ask. If you're new to the stream, hit a like, share, and subscribe. सप्लाई चेंज कर दो डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे, जो हाँ सही से मार्क करो ऊपर से। वो एलटीडी लेवल्स हटा यार प्लीज। एक चीज फॉलो कर, मल्टीपल लेवल्स फॉलो मत कर। 15 मिनट्स में आना। राइट, प्रीवियस अलोकेशन मार्क कर फ्रॉम द व्हाइट लाइन। ऊपर जो व्हाइट लाइन डाला है ना, 84,198 का लेवल, उस लेवल से चेंज कर। तूने ही लाइन डाला है ना भाई, 84,198 का लाइन डाला है ना हॉरिजॉन्टल रे। हाँ, वहां से डिमांड ले। Anyone are having any doubts, please do ask. बैक टेस्ट करते वक्त वेंकट कोई डाउट है पूछो। Do let me know if you are having any back test doubts, forward testing doubts. Very good morning, Vishal. How are you? Can you please show which bearish swing high low retracement is considered in the sheet of calculations? This one. 1, 2, 3. Point 1, point 2, point 3. But swing on the chart is 29.43. And in the sheet 29.40. Why is it different? Is there something else considered? No, this calculations is as per the IG chart, not as per the trading view. Okay. In that IG charts, swing high is at 23.46, swing low is at 23.40, and retracement point is at 29.45.20. What is that IG chart? IG is one of the world's largest, biggest, and the top secured financial services. It's known as IG Group. Broker, yeah, they have their sister company is one of the brokers, but their main role is not into brokering. They are investment bankers. They do have a platform for traders as well. Okay, didn't know that. All the new members, whatever doubts you guys are having, do ask. Because they don't do publications, they don't do advertising, nothing. And if you see their homepage, no, you will come to know what is their major overall earners of per execution. Their client earnings will come to know. And they don't allow each and everyone to trade in their platforms. Website is IG Group. Sir, someone spoke in Marathi. Yes. So we hear there is workers who are working, okay, for them. Bhat amdi karan thule jo. Means the rice and the lentils has been prepared. You can have it post work. सबका MTSL कहाँ पे होना चाहिए? एशियन सेशन का ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन थी, राइट? 20 pips, मतलब मार्केट चल रही है एट द करेंट सिनेरियो ऑफ 70 pips. You guys should make sure that you keep your SLs running at MTSLs running at 40 pips, system trailing at 25 pips. Is this a S2 formation? S2 formation is on the second two closure. यहाँ पे सेकेंड कैंडल क्लोज होगा तभी ही S2 फॉर्मेशन माना जाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं. Sir, does TTS has website? TTS doesn't have website, but its parent company has. Sir, what are that lines? Where did you get that demand allocated? Through the insider liquidity. एंड जितना भी कैंडल ऑफ अलोकेशंस आपको दिखता है इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ ए सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई, वो सब आपका इनसाइडर लिक्विडिटी के जैसे काम करेंगे. एट द सिनेरियो वी हैव मार्क 1 2 3 4 5, so we will allocate the same from the top of the movement. So this was your first insider liquidity, this is your second insider liquidity, this is your third insider liquidity, and the movement closure. मार्केट वो इंसाइडर लिक्विडिटी लेने आएगा. ओके, हिट द लाइक बटन गाइस. जो भी डाउट है पूछ लो. ब्यूटीफुल BTC, कम ऑन, यू आर द मैन. पुश, पुश हार्ड. On the break you can double the supply, sorry, you can double the demand. With the double of demand you can allocate one more small one, which is this one. Okay, वेंकट कितना चल रहा है? सॉरी, ओके, गुड जॉब. श्रीवास्तव सर कितना चल रही है? ओके. वरुण का मैसेज नहीं आया? आएगा आएगा, जिम में है. 11:40 को आएगा मैसेज. कितना ट्रेड लिए? दो। बीटीसी शॉर्ट, गोल्ड शॉर्ट दोनों है उसमें। 83,400 में एमटीएसएल चल रहा है उसका, बीटीसी का। गोल्ड का एमटीएसएल नहीं है, डायरेक्ट सिस्टम ट्रेलिंग पे। Didn't take entry, sir. Okay. नहीं नहीं, I was not talking about you. ब्रेक होने के बाद ही दिस विल बी अंडर कंसिडरेशन, नॉट प्रायर टू दैट। ब्रेक होके सस्टेन होना है। Am I clear? Beautiful, guys. एंड ऐसे ही यहाँ पे हमारा डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे विक क्रिएट होते हुए नजर आएगी आपको वेरी सून। EP1 2935.43493 हिट हो चुकी है गाइस। एंड उसी के साथ इनसाइडर लिक्विडिटी हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन। ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट, कीप इट अप एवरीवन। What a timing, what a level. Which level is this, sir? Inside liquidity level. सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई के अंदर जो मूवमेंट है वो वाला है. उसी के साथ हमारा TP1 हिट हो चुकी है. Samarth, why wick is important on daily time frame? Because without a liquidity, market doesn't move a bit. One more minute to close the candle, guys. Beautifully done. In some charts, I'm getting confused which is the right retracement point, how to know exact. Samarth, do the back testing, do the forward testing, 100 charts in back testing, 100 charts in forward testing, 100 charts in live testing. That's when you will be able to identify the moments, not prior to that. Do the back testing, forward testing, and live testing. In some charts, I am getting confused which is the right retracement point, how to know exact. By learning. This is your fourth day. Sorry, seventh day, Samarth. Sir, is this scenario 2 building up? अगर ये कैंडल क्लोज होके नेक्स्ट कैंडल रिजेक्शन लेके ऊपर के लिए जाती है, then this is scenario 2. I'm doing back testing only, in that only I'm not able to. I'm doing back testing only right now, in that only I'm not able to mark the right retracement levels. 850 points running. वरुण नेक्स्ट 80 to 800 तक बात मत करो, मैसेज मत करो प्लीज. शांत था जब तू जिम में था. हाँ. नहीं नहीं, मजाक कर रहा था उसके साथ. लाइव इन लाइव इनसाइडर लिक्विडिटी लाइव इनसाइडर लिक्विडिटी का एग्जांपल दे दिया. सिनेरियो टू लाइव इंड्यूसमेंट का भी देख लेना. यू विल आइडेंटिफाई इट एट दिस करेंट पॉइंट. लाइव में मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स का नंबर भी है. राइट, एवरीथिंग इज इन लाइव representing you. The one and only thing what market follows. Thank you for the valuable insights and the learning that you have shared. 2930 का हमारा कोई लेवल ही नहीं था सर at first place. Mathematical concept numbers were at 2935 and 2933. वो आपने लेवल डाला है. आपका लेवल और हमारा लेवल अलग है ना सर. ट्वेंटी नाइन थर्टी का कोई भी लेवल था ही नहीं सर एट फर्स्ट प्लेस. If a supply is formed after the demand where the last candle of the demand has wick, then why don't we consider the wick in the supply? Is it not the supply as well? For example, gold 15 minutes, 12th March 1815. 12th March 1815. Janab works in Indian timing. So in Indian timing, 8:15. 8:15. 8:15 to 8:30. With wick. Where is it? Indian timing 8:15. Morning or evening? Okay, 18:15. My bad, my bad. 18:15. Yes, 18:15 candle. Okay, this is 18:15 candle demand range to March 2030 candle. 2030 candle. Okay, 2030 candle. Here, first demand is formed with wick. Okay. Then the supply form, but we don't consider the wick. Why will not consider the wick? In yesterday's scenario, we'll consider because market was in the moving state, correct? When the market was in the moving state, definitely we will consider it, right? So when the market was in the moving state, this was the plan of action, correct? With this plan of action, we marked it over here, right? Demand 1, demand 2. Continuity. Where did the market take the rejection? 50%. Right? With the 15% indication, what is the next thing that we'll be working on? The next thing over here we'll be working on, do we have any inducement scenarios? No, we don't have an inducement scenario. So what did market do? Market went on to complete the second. So that is the plan of action that you will be looking for. Okay. Nilesh, if you want to consider it, we can consider it only in two ways. Because this candle indicated the volume, if you remember, towards the bullishness. What do you notice here? Where is the highest volume spiked at that point of time? 18 candle, right? 18 o'clock. What was the volume indication over here? Volume indication was towards the short with the wick creation, right? But immediately post that, what did the market do? Market definitely came down for a range to the hunt. हंट हुआ मैथमेटिकल नंबर था उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से रिजेक्शन लेके मार्केट ऊपर के लिए गई नाउ इन दिस सिनेरियो व्हाट आर द टू major spectrums that you have to be working on. The two major spectrums that you will be working on over here is you take the entire movement from this point of action to this point of action. Okay. So with this, you mark out the level. Okay. Post the break, continuity, double the supply, allocate it. But here, no, I don't get it. Do we consider the wick in supply or in demand or in both? In this scenario, we won't consider the inducement range wick. We will only consider the non-inducement range wick. Okay. So this is a non-inducement range. This wick can be taken under consideration. But this is a mathematical number. This is the inducement S2 range. So we'll not consider this wick. Okay. So there is one more inside liquidity, कहाँ पे अरुंधति मैम? नहीं मैम, वो अभी कंसिडरेशन में नहीं लेंगे. That will be taken under the consideration once it's place and role of break. उससे पहले no allocation. मार्केट यहाँ पे कैंडल सस्टेन हो गई, नेक्स्ट कैंडल पे ब्रिज दिखेगा तो मार्केट यहाँ से डायरेक्टली इंड्यूसमेंट के साथ मूवमेंट देगा. Okay, Nilesh. Hope you got the point. नहीं नहीं अरुंधति मैम, ब्रेक होने दो. The current insider liquidity, let it break, then we will look for the moment which we have marked and kept. वो insider liquidity next mark करेंगे, उससे पहले no. Still a bit confused. Nilesh, let it be. Right, if you watch some lives, you will understand. No worries at all, Smita ma'am, let it be. नहीं नहीं वरुण, वैसे मत करो. Stream will be there for next 10 minutes. Joe be outside, please do ask. Nilesh, that a bit confused is totally fine, right? So, jate jate, you will understand it. Give yourself some time of action. Okay? Post that definitely. You will understand. Sir, Holi hai. Happy Holi, guys. Excuse me. 'कहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया है दुबई में? स्काई में? आर यू सीरियस? स्काई में होली पार्टी हो रही है? मजा आएगा. जाओ. Go. Not an issue. एंट्री नहीं देंगे. उधर जाके कॉल कर देना मेरे. Gold 15 minutes Indian time, 7th March 1915. 2030. Here there are total 6 candles red and 4 green. Now I just want to mark them as demand and supply. So far demand I will mark 2 candles. But after marking the supply, why don't we consider the wick as supply as it is? 7th March Indian time, 1915. 2030. This is the marking here. Why we are not considering, you have to understand Nilesh, because this is a pressure of not sellers. यहाँ पे buyers आ गए, तो यहाँ पे demand full काम नहीं करेगा. Okay, always remember that. Sellers जो running में बैठे हैं, उनका merger के साथ यहाँ पे buyers आए हैं, so that won't be considered full. It's a mixed combo of a buyers and sellers in that big range, because retailers are sitting in perspective of the retailers are sitting in perspective of pullback, right? Running everything, but buyers over here have shown an interest with the mathematical numbers, right? So that was a mathematical number. Do the calculation at that perspective, you will identify it. So your swing high will be 2923.18. Your swing low will be 2917.34. Your retracement point will be 2921 or else 2921.675. Mark out that range. You will understand why did the market come down to that circumstances. If you're an option trader, don't look for an inducement there. If you're a future trader, definitely yes. Either a market. That is not inducement yet. Inducement is not yet built over there. Three candles. Is your short trade still running? Yes. Third candle will be your entry point. Please go back to yesterday's video and look into it. How do we look into the circumstances? Okay. What's the minimum capital that you require to open an account in IG? $13 million. I'm talking about IG group. If you want to open an IG platforms, then you required only 500 to $1,000. And you need to have a bank statement of at least 1.6 million for platform opening. So you can trade with $500 to $1,000, but your minimum bank statement should be of 1.6. Yes, that's right. आप इतना जल्दी उसके ऊपर रिसर्च भी कर लिए. What do you have? I was talking about IG group, right? In evening session, will you explain MC1? Yes, I will. IG group is a financial services. You can open IG group. You can Google IG group, sorry. IG का full form Instagram होता है ना? बहुत सही बोला सर. Yes. और वो खुद हंस रहा भी है. टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करके. Nilesh, थोड़ा टाइम दे देना. You will understand why we used to not consider that. Okay, guys, everyone, remember one thing: trade fearlessly with following the risk management without emotions. जीतने से खुशी मनाना, हारने से दुखी मनाना is not a quality of the traders. Follow the rules, follow the mathematical numbers, allocate the supply and demand, follow the screening of wave, tide, and ride, and be in the directions of the market. Don't trade what you think, trade what you see. मिलते हैं इवनिंग सेशन में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. नितेश साइनिंग ऑफ.